Hello, where are you going? Oh, I'm going to Australia. Okay. After signing paper. Okay, just put your bag right here. Okay. Bye, thank you. So heavy! Okay, I'm ready to sign boring papers. Ma'am, your luggage is really big. After people signing up papers and doing stuff like that and putting their bags somewhere, they got into the plane.
Everyone aboard the plane.
What a lovely plane.
Everyone is in their seats and they have their seat belts on, so we're ready to go.
Wait, but we don't have our seat belts!
Whoever fell may get up, and I told you to put on your seatbelts!
Sorry.
Okay, everyone is back in their seats. Everyone have a nice trip.
Boing, 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 boing. Stop jumping in your seat. Mom, you always tell me everything what to do. Put on your seatbelt, please. Fine. That girl is so beautiful. What did he just say? Mom, I'm hungry. We're going to be getting snacks, okay? Everyone, I will be handing out snacks. Does anybody want snacks? Me. Oh, okay. What would you like? Can I please have the cake? Something healthy. Fine. Can I have crackers? Or the fish crackers, that thing right there. Oh, okay. There you go. Say thank you. Thanks. Does anybody else want food? Can I please have the cake? What? That's not fair. Here you go. Anybody else? Can I have fish crackers, please? Okay. Does anybody want the last meal? Me, please. Okay. And it comes with a fork. I will be getting drinks. How come she got the cake? 'Cause probably she ate her healthy food first. Oh, nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Everyone, I have drinks. After eating and drinking.
Everyone, you may now go to sleep.
Is everything going okay, Captain? Yep, everything is going okay. Mommy, I want to go into the Keep Outdoor. No going into the Keep Outdoor. That's where the captain is. Really? I want to meet him. Bye, Mom. No, honey, don't. Oh, Captain. Child, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be in your seat. My mommy says that too. Why does adults always have to tell me to do everything? What does this button do? Beep, beep. Uh-oh. What's wrong? I'm having technical difficulties. Ah! Everyone,
Put on your seatbelts tightly. We're going in a plane crash.
What a find.